Dear students, here you will come to know something more about gerund. What gerund is actually we came to know earlier in the past classes that is a verb and ing combination having a meaning of a noun. Now, commonly when verb plus ing combinations come, we may confuse them as verbs. It is very common that when playing, reading, writing like words come to you, you may get them as verbs. Therefore, it is very important to know the difference between a verb and a noun. You must always know that a verb will tell you about something about an action, but a noun will express any name, and the name may be of any kind of action or activity. Suppose in the earlier examples we have shown move, motion, movement, act, action, etc. These are the kind of names of the actions. But here our discussion is verb plus ing equal to a noun that is equal to a gerund. Therefore, I have tried my best to show you some of the examples in different sentences when they are verbs and when they are nouns. In these examples, just to look at, we are playing and they are playing chess. Here there are two words like playing and playing. Clear? Playing and playing. Both the words are the verb and ing combination, but both are expressing verbs or an action or a work. And since both are expressing verb or action or work, they are verbs, not nouns at all. Therefore, they are not gerund. But in the next examples, playing is a good habit and playing chess is a difficult sport. Here there are two combination verb plus ing combinations. These are not to give you any sense of any work. These are just name of a game. It is also a name of a game. These are used as subject to give you a meaning of a noun. Therefore, this both uses are gerund because these are giving you a meaning of a noun. Again, in the next sentences, we are reading grammar and she is talking much. This reading grammar and talking much also expressing a kind of action. Therefore, these are verbs. But in the next examples, like I like reading of books, stop talking, seeing is believing. These are also some of the verb and ing combination. These are not to give you any sense of action here because these are used differently. I subject here and like is verb and reading is object here. Clear? Therefore, read plus ing, this combination is to give you a sense of a noun and therefore it is a gerund. Similarly, stop is verb here and talking is noun. Here, seeing is used as a subject, believing is used as an object. Therefore, both verb plus ing combination give you a sense of a noun. Therefore, both are gerund here. Clear? Thank you. Just look at my phone number here, 70028555852. If you can't understand anything else, you must call me. Okay? Thank you, students.